Hey everybody, how you doing? We're back. We're back for the final hour now that the Fed has said what they had to say. And surprise, surprise, surprise. It was no surprise. They said exactly what we were expecting them to say in the way they were going to say it. The only detail we have is that it's likely that we may have three rate hikes in 2022 starting in March. Well, a quarter point every 4 months or so. Whoop de freaking do. Your interest rates are going up 0.75% next year, maybe 1% next year. Yeah, so okay. I'm going to not be able to buy bread now. Like, I don't think so. I think we'll be fine. The Costco hot dog will still be $1.50 with a soda, even with a rate hike. I think we're going to be okay. So the fears of 70 styles interest rates. I tell you right now, there are some real crybabies out there, and it's unbelievable that they get any attention. It's amazing that anyone listens to these people. I don't get it. We're up 92 on the Dow, 92, 93 points. We've been a little higher. We might go higher yet. We've been climbing all morning. We started up with a drop, and we slowly were coming back, and then the decision came out and went up. A little pullback. Now it's coming up again. 86.60 right now on the Dow. S&P up 20. Nasdaq up 69 and three quarter points. The winner is the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. They're up 0.45%. The Dow's up 0.25% at the moment. The Dow needs to just digest this. There'll be winners and losers. There's always winners and losers. Oil's up 21 cents. There's a winner because people think, oh, this isn't so bad. This is going to be, the economy is going to be all right. We'll need more oil. Oh, oil will go up. I don't think so, but anyway, it's up 20 cents. Bankers will do well. Bankers will, let's put it this way, bank stocks will do well. I don't know if bankers will do any better than they're doing already. They're doing great right now. Banks are making a lot of money. Don't feel sorry for them. They're doing great. But some of them are trading a little low for the kind of money they're making, like Goldman Sachs, trading at 6-something times earnings when they should be trading at 12 times earnings, 14 times earnings. Apple's 33. It just drives me nuts. Anyway, bank stocks will do well, which means SoFi will do well as a banking institution, and they're going to get their bank charter. They're going to get their bank charter. The stock's 14.58 right now. It's up a dime on the day. It was as low as 14.02 this morning. We had some viewers here picking up some cheap stock in the low 14s all morning. You were doing it. You're being rewarded now. You're up about a dime a share. The stock will consolidate a little bit here, and then it's going to go higher. SoFi is so oversold, it's ridiculous. It's gone from 23 in 2.5 weeks down to here. It is way oversold. There's going to be a snapback rally here to take it to 16 to 18 bucks a share as a starter, and then from there we go higher. And once they get the charter, you can add 50% to the stock price for the next month after that. So we end up at 18 plus 50%. Bingo, $27 stock. How are you? Hi, how are you? Okay. Think we're going to be just fine. We didn't have a serious blow off of the markets the last few days. I know that a lot of you know that you listen to me and you understand and you're figuring it out that without heavy selling volume, we're not sitting here on a market crash. We're not sitting here on a, oh my gosh, get out at all, with all haste or anything like that. It just didn't happen. We didn't get stocks plummeting to the bottom of the earth. It just didn't happen. There is no reason to sell stock in a hurry. There just isn't. Earnings are great, especially for a lot of American companies who have adapted to this COVID thing. They've figured out how to make a whole bunch of money. The BW is here. Hey, buddy, thank you for making it in here. I made it, he says. And he's been a member now for 9 months. BW, U.S. Air Force, beautiful. Thanks, man, for your loyalty to this channel. I so appreciate you. That is great. I'll tell you, this market just hasn't given up the ghost. It is reluctantly giving up ground. So on the stocks that we follow, we've been talking pennies all week, 20 penny moves is what we've been talking about. Now, right now, speaking of pennies, Rocket Lab is down 7 cents. It's at 12.50 a share. Make that 12.51. Now we're down 6 cents. The low was 12.04 today. Rocket Lab now 12.51. It's down 6 cents. It's going to go green. It's 1.6 million volume. There's no selling. SoFi up 19 right now to 14.67. The volume on SoFi is picking up a little bit. It's at 24.5 million, but that's down from normal volumes. So we're going to probably pop that up. Low of 14.03 from what I can tell you. GameStop right now 145.34, down 235. Even after the interest rate announcement, the stock did pop to 150 for a moment, and then it backed off. We've hit a high today of 152. We then backed off down to about 143 something, 143.60. Now we're 145.70. The stock is going to kind of consolidate a little bit and then likely move higher because there is no need to worry about interest rates. There's no worry about a crashing market. There's no worry about the ultimate recession of all time is going to come upon us because interest rates are going to be jacked up. Forget about it. Not going to happen. And so the grind continues, but I kind of get the impression that SoFi, which hit 129 yesterday morning, don't forget that, it's oversold, and we might get a little bit of a rally. We'll see. Those of you who have written calls, I hope you've pulled in some calls and bought them back. Get ready to write again as we go higher and higher. I think we will go, but we shall see. It's 146.09 right now on GameStop. Matterport 21.70 after getting as low as $20.16. We have recovered $1.48 a share from the low of the day today on this stock. That was around 11:30 this morning. It had another brief dip around just short of 2 o'clock today, but didn't get as low as the low. And then 2 o'clock, boom, she took off just like everybody else. 21.66 now, down 64 cents on 5.4 million. We might be over the worst of the pullback on Matterport. ME 7.43, down only a nickel now. The low of the day on ME 7.15. Nice 28-cent recovery. It hadn't fallen that much today. Spire coming back. We were down to 3.58 and a half. We're now at $3.81, $3.81. So 13 cent, roughly a 12.5, 13 cent recovery. 3.82 now. We're down only a nickel on the day on 835,000. No selling volume of any significance at all, and it's coming on. ATIP is green. ATIP has turned the corner. It's up about a fifth of a penny at the moment. 541,000 traded. We got as low as 321 and a half. We're now 326.2. So a little over just not quite 5-cent gain from the low of the day. Again, not a big range. 338 was the high. 321 was the low. 17-cent range here. And we're now positive. We're in the green on ATIP. Looks nicer than red. Spire, 383, down only 4, by the way. It's moving up again. Smart Rent, up 26 cents to 11.70. We were up this morning to 11.94. We went down to 11.36. Now we're at 11.70. And we're looking good. We're 24 cents off the high of the day here, and it is definitely going the right direction. The 52-week low on Smart Rent, 881. And that was a while ago. We have not been to 881 since November, early November. So we've come a ways here, and we're getting better. So I like that. Sextera, 11.28, up 32 cents. This is the high of the day, 148,000 volume. The all-time high at $12 earlier this week. So the stock is coming on again. You got to love that. I thought the all-time high this week was 11.39. I don't know where the $12 print comes from. I don't remember seeing it at 12, but nonetheless, it's moving up, and I like it. I like it a lot. 12.60 now on Rocket Lab. We're green. We're green on Rocket Lab at 12.60. We're at 34 now on SoFi, 14.82. This is pushing the high of the day now, just short of the high of the day. 25 million volume. Climbing now nicely. We have 51 minutes to go, and that's nice to see. We have the Dow now up 194, powering up. We got the S&P up, powering up at 40 points. NASDAQ now up 155. NASDAQ is up now a full percentage point. It just doubled in movement. It was up a half a point, like 0.45. It's now up 1%. So we got money moving into this market. We have S&P up 0.85%. The Dow is up 0.53. It was only up 0.25. That's since I started talking to you in 9 minutes. The markets are absolutely coming on. Cisco, Apple, shares are moving higher. We have Apple now showing a 429 gain to 178.62. We're showing Goldman Sachs only down 83 cents. And we're showing Cisco today. This is surprising. It's a good gain. 190, $1.90 gain on Cisco. It's been climbing all day. This hasn't been since 2 o'clock. It's been climbing all day. Just added 50 cents in the last half an hour. 59.68 on Cisco. Looking good. Cisco, Goldman Sachs, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook are great candidates, along with IBM. Perfect kind of candidates to write poor man covered calls, and they're more or less improving across the board. Rocket Lab right now, 12.62 up a nickel. SoFi, 14.82 up 35 cents. GameStop down 84 cents. Matterport down 56 cents now, 21.74 coming on again. ME down only 6 cents. Aspire is down 7 cents to 3.80. ATIP down 7/10 of a penny. I mean, we're right at the line there. SmartRent up 23 and Sextera up 37. Elsewhere, AMC down 33. It's coming on. Robinhood is almost at break even at 19.10, down 3 cents. Vanek Vectors up $6. Home Depot up 2.76. Big moves here since 2 o'clock. IBM down 112, has not had a big reaction yet. 122.64. Microsoft up 243, Apple up 413, Tesla up 320, has turned the corner and gone positive. Bed Bath Beyond down 22, but coming on. BlackBerry is positive. It had gone negative. It's now 872 up 13 cents, 873 up 13 cents, pardon me. Royal Caribbean down 174 at 69.86. The low today for Royal Caribbean, 68.19, but we're still in the 60s even with this good news. Goldman down $1.40. Cisco up 194 to 59.72. Amazon up $18. Facebook up 470. Google up 12.50. So we've got good movement here. Costco's up 11.60 today. Looking nice. Interesting how these markets have turned quite some dramatically. 182 gain on the Dow right now. 40 odd points on the 41 points on S&P. 161, 162 on NASDAQ now. On the green side, oil up 34 cents to 71.07. So it's popped up from the high 69s to 71.07 so far today. There you have it. 14.85 on your SoFi, pushing for $15. Credit Savage, you got it. You know it. You watch it. You see it. It's happening. It's coming. Yay! Not surprising. Way oversold, and here we go. Beach Boy is saying, hi, everybody. Thank you all again for your support yesterday. You were great. Let's see. What did I tell you? Says Cheddar Stacks. Let's go. Going higher tomorrow, too. Doesn't pay to be a paper-handed weenie baby. Laugh out loud, homeboy. You don't know how to trade. Nick, good afternoon, Uncle Bruce and all. How you doing, Nick? Welcome back, buddy. Hello, Beach Boy from Joanne. Everything's going up, says Cheddar. Beach Boy, you too. Joanne Hubson, nice to see you too. Nelson, Beach Boy, yesterday was fun cheering you on. Never wish for GameStop to go down before. Laughing out loud. Anti-PC go SoFi. First time this week, my profit and loss has green numbers. Coyote, I sold a GameStop 160 strike for $320. Bought it back for $120 about an hour and a half later. Felt good. Thank you very much, dear gamblers. Very, very nice. Let's go here. Let's go. Let's see. Wall Street climbs. Fed says it will end bond purchase in March. We're moving higher. We're at 14.86 now on SoFi. Let's go. Let's keep going, guys. Exactly. And let's see. Being in Ontario, I think I'll call these exact Earth folks. Tell them to put money into Spire already. And let's go. Hit my stink bid, says Kent. I bought back my Goldman Sachs options, 355 profit. Thank you, Bruce, for the advice to hang on to it yesterday and not roll it. Way to go. Way to go, Kent. That's a great trade, man. That is fantastic. Cheddar Stacks, neat, neat, neat. I could have hung on longer, but I'm happy. There you have it. Profit is a profit. You take a profit, and then you reassess and get ready for your next option, right? And see what you can do. Rocket Lab is up 7 cents to now 12.64. SoFi 14.87, up 39 cents. GameStop down 1 penny at the moment. Matterport down 38 cents only at 21.98. We have come back from, like I said, 2016 on Matterport. We've come up $1.70 a share from the low of the day here. Real nice snapback here on Matterport. Looking great. 5.7 million shares right now on the Matterport. 21.92 last trade, down 38 cents. ME 741 down 7 cents. Spire now down a nickel at 382. ATIP is up 2 cents to 328. Broken through the negative line into the positive territory. Smart Rent up 21 cents to 11.64. Sextera 11.34, up 38 cents. Nice moves there. 45 minutes to go before we shut down the day. The Dow up 228 points, high of the day. We got S&P up 47.5, now 48.25, high of the day. We got NASDAQ up 200 points. The NASDAQ is up 1.3%. The S&P is up 1 full percentage point. And the Dow is up 0.66. So they're all three moving higher. Money is coming in, and it is picking up stock. The key here is even with 3 interest rate hikes planned, corporate America, the ones that pay a dividend, they're not going to have any trouble staying ahead of the Fed on dividend payouts. A lot of corporate American stocks have been using a lot of their excess cash to buy back stock rather than increase dividends. If the Fed wants to increase interest rates and finally get into this 1% neighborhood, 1.5% neighborhood, Apple's paying about 2% now on dividends. So is Microsoft. These guys can easily go to 2.5%, 3%. So don't be surprised if that happens as well as rates go higher, which means income is higher for other investors, pension funds, hedge funds, and ETFs. All of a sudden, dividend income start to improve. That is good for the market. More people put money into a market that yields higher. Funny how that works. Let's see. Let's go. Cheddar says, I couldn't take my hiatus that I was planning because I knew today would be down and then up. Honestly, I did not expect such a sell-off this morning, though. That surprised me, and I bought more. Nephew Nick, new daily high on SoFi, Bruce. Yep, $14.94 now, up 46 cents. We're just hitting at $14.95. We're going for $15 and more on SoFi, 25.9 million. There is no stock for sale here. We're trading $500,000 and we're just going up another dime. There's nothing in the way. There might be a little resistance at 15, but I don't think so. It won't be much. It won't take much to take that out. GameStop up $1.16, now up $2, $150 a share on GameStop. We're coming back on. Rocket Lab up 15 cents to $12.72. The Dow up 290. S&P now up 57. It is really climbing up a 1.23% on the S&P. NASDAQ up 239 points, up 1.57%. This market is really accelerating. The gas pedal is being pushed down. Beach Boy, did someone here let GameStop go up before catching my stink bid today? This is strange. Kareem wrote a 157.50 GameStop on that pop during the Fed talk. I got $7.50, bought it back just now for $5.95. Nice job. Nick, is it time to write calls on Matterport? Maybe not. We're only down 4 cents here. Coming on nicely, Nick. Might want to sit back and let this stock come into the green and see what it's got to it, because it is oversold from that 37 high. 22.27 right now on Matterport. That chart today looks like a giant letter U, and it's coming up the other end here, looking good at 5.8 million shares. So we'll have to watch how that one breaks through and continues on. I have been buying lots of SoFi, Rocket Lab, Matterport calls all week, expiring January to July. Most are in the money. Delahoe, you're looking good right now. Bobby got into the SoFi Friday party, 2 15.5 calls at 17 cents each. We're at 15.02 on SoFi. Went through 15 like a knife through hot butter, like a hot knife through soft butter. It's over. It's gone. 15.03. We're going right through it. No problem. Woohoo, go NVIDIA. Austin, today my dad went in to buy a Ford Transit van. They no longer sell Ford Transit vans to the public. Why? Amazon wants all of them. Amazon wants every one of them. How about that? Amazing. Bertie, Kareem, good work. I did the same thing. Joe, Oliva, Joe, not sure who mentioned buying SoFi calls that expire Friday, but I got in on that with you, 100% return. Cheddar Stacks, know when to get out. Don't be a paper handler or a bag holder, which is, watch those darn charts. Joe, you know that was Cheddar. Beach Boy, Uncle Bruce, to write covered calls on GameStop for Friday or more. Rally tomorrow, you think? Could well be a rally tomorrow, my friend. We may want to wait and hold up on the GameStop before we write any more calls. The stock could well have a nice little rally here into this 50 to 55, 60 range. We'll see what it wants to top out at, and then we'll pick our spots for short-term call writing. Right now, 148.94. We did touch 150 a second time today. Watching it closely, this is most entertaining. Credit Savage, I would wait to write anything on Matterport. Probably wait till it pops 10% or more in a day. But that's my strategy. Everyone's different. Yep, 22.20 on Matterport, down a dime, and it's coming on. ME is only down 3 cents, by the way. Spire only down 4. ATIP now up 3.5. GameStop up 131 to 149 again. 15.15 on SoFi, up 67 cents. Anyone who bought stock this morning at 403, 404, 405, 1404, 56, are you happy? Oh, you should be. Stock's going higher, 1272 up 15 on Rocket Lab. Can we break through 50? We did. GameStop, Game Boy, Beach Boy, I am considering writing for this Friday again if we pop 150. ME is green, nice, ding, 15. Agree with Credit Savage on Matterport call. Just hit 15 on SoFi. There it was. My first covered call, ATIP, got $80 premium, which is lower my share cost to $331 from $411. If I'm interested, I'll buy it at a lower price. Okay, Nephew Nick, 1501. Cheddar Stacks, yes. SoFi, oh man, stocks are jumping a bit now. Let's see. What else we got? Like a hot knife through butter. SoFi goes through 15. SoFi is at 400 yet, just about. So glad I got my calls back before this. I bought 10 options, says Bama Babe, on Matterport when it was at the low 20s with a premium of 80 cents just before Powell spoke. I'm now up 137%. And you're climbing. You're green now on Matterport. 22.35, up a nickel. We're green on Matterport. The low of the day was 2016. We're 22.35. This is a $2.19 recovery, roughly on Matterport. Looking good. GameStop 148.97. SoFi 15.13. Rocket Lab up 16 cents to 12.72. ME down only a penny. Spire down 6. ATIP up 3.5 cents. SmartRent up 18. Sextera up 40 cents to 11.36. AMC is green. Robinhood is green. Vanik is up 8.90. Home Depot up 4.40. IBM still down 93 cents. The Dow up 3.28. S&P up 62. NASDAQ up 267. We got a real strong rally happening right now. Apple is up 469, Microsoft up 460, Tesla up $18 to $976, Bed Bath & Beyond down only 11 cents coming on, BlackBerry up 23 at 883, Royal Caribbean still at down $1.08 at 70.52, Goldman Sachs just went green at 390.08, Cisco up 210 to 59.88, looking great. Norwegian down 32 cents, Carnival down 23, but they're both climbing. Amazon up $64, Facebook up $6.50, Google up $33. They're all surging right now. Costco up $15.70, moving higher. Walmart went green, up 50 cents. Nvidia up $17.70 to $301. Disney up $1. eBay coming on with only a 32-cent loss now. What else is going on? American Airlines up 2 cents. Who else is going up here? Workday is up $6.69. DoorDash up $1. They're all turning up here. Micron up $1.56. Intel up 64 cents. Coinbase up 3.55. Even the so-so stocks are running higher out there. There you go. 12.74 now on Rocket Lab, up 17 cents. SoFi up 66 now to 15.14. You ain't seen nothing yet. 15.16. This is nothing. GameStop up 165. Matterport up 3 to 22.32. ME is now green at 7.49, up a penny. And Spire is coming on, down only 2.5 cents, about to go green itself. 3.5 cent gain on ATIP, 23-cent gain on Smart Rent, and 36 on Sixtera. Turning green everywhere. Looking great. Let's see here. Let's go. I love you, SoFi, says anti-PC. I love and hate SoFi, says nephew Nick. 15.16 on your SoFi. Here we go. Profit and loss this morning, negative 500, now 200 gain. Right on, Bobby. Way to go. Let's see. At 88 miles an hour, SoFi goes back into the future. Here we go. People are getting richer. That's definitely happening right now. 65-cent gain on SoFi, 15.13, $1.53 gain on GameStop, 149.22. Matterport down a penny, ME up 2, Spire down 3. They're right around that break even, about to go higher. Let's see. What else is going on here? Go Rocket Lab, go, says Andy. Bama Bay Bunkers, you have changed my life. I just made 1,200 in 2 hours on Matterport. Bingo. And that's why they hang around this guy. I love that. I just love it when you guys make money. I love it. I just see the execution happening, and there it is. Pow. And it's, if you didn't take this money, someone else would. I'd rather you have it. This is good stuff. Make a ton of money, you guys. Santa rally time, baby. Beach Boy. Cisco knocking on that 60 ceiling. Let's go, Cisco. That's right, Beach Boy. That's right. That's what your Cisco's going higher. That's right. I'm watching that. I love it. Cisco 59.86 up 209. High today 59.91. Looking good. All right. Let's see. What else is going on here? Thumbs ups number 109. Have I got over 100 thumbs ups already? This is awesome. I have 117 thumbs ups with a surging market. Thank you, everybody, for throwing the thumbs ups my way. If you can find a thumbs ups, hit it. Give us a shot. We'd love a little momentum there too. Thank you, everybody. All righty. Let's go. Austin says, I'm holding 10,000 shares on ATIP. I'm only down to balmy 40 grand on that stuff. Well, you start with 1 penny at a time, and you're now up 4.5 today. So we're at 330.05, $3.30 and a half. We're up 4.5 cents. Go ATIP. Bought back all my Matterport $25 January and February covered calls. So let's go. I want to sell some more. There you have it. Let's make a run happen here. And let's go. Spire about to turn. I also got in that cheap SoFi weeklies this AM. Let's go. Being drunk on green numbers, Uncle Bruce. Poorman covered call on SoFi, 1550 call when it goes higher for this Friday. Gamble. You never know. Auntie says, I'll shotgun a beer with Austin and Michael if Matterport gets to 32 by Friday. There's a bold statement right there. Way to go, Auntie. I like that. SoFi averaged 15.75. I could have bought it down lower this week, but I wanted to buy calls. Instead, spent all my money this week. Let's see. Let's go. Merry Christmas, everyone, from Jerome Powell, says Nicholas. Flesh Infection says to Auntie, I'm not sure of the caliber of the gamble here. How do we know shotgunning beers isn't routine? Don't you guys do that every day anyway? Matterport is green. We're all green. Holy baby Jesus, let's go, says Credit Savage. Well, we're almost all green. 4 minutes ago, but we're only down 7 on Matterport. We're coming back on. 23andMe is up a nickel now. And we're up 4.5 on ATIP. We're up 34 in Sixtera, up 23 in Smart Rent. GameStop up 147. SoFi up to 15.11, up 63. Rocket Lab up 15 cents. There you go. All righty. Come on, baby. Let's make money. Let's make some money. Coyote says, if SoFi hits 16 by the end of the week, I will drink. If it dips back to 14, I will drink. I have a drinking problem, and it's destroying my family. Oh man. Oh no. Let's see. Let's go. Beach Boy, thank you, says Bama Babe. Let's see. Set up some Apple long calls for poor mind cover call during today's dip. I finally feel like I've done something right this month. Nice going, Joe. Nice going. Nice job. Let's see. Uh, oh man, thumbs, thumbs, thumbs. Thank you, Flint Creek Soap Company. And let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Beach Boy says, Chris Savage, you are a beast. Let's see. Boy, it's sure nice to tune in and see all this green, says Zach. A Red Solo Cup. I snatched a $20 win from a $400 win. Way to go, Red Solo Cup. Let's see. It's green, says damn it, Gene. Damn it, Jim. It's green. Right on. Right on. We got a market going here. We're up 363 on the Dow now, 64 and a half on S&P. We're up 259 on NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is up 1.7%. S&P up 138. The Dow's up 1%. So we've had a good recovery. Still down on the week, but we're coming on, and we like it. The oil's up 81 cents to 71.54. And the market likes what it sees. It just likes what it hears, what the Fed is talking about. Doesn't fear this move. It's fine. There you have it. Let's see. Hector, I just woke up. What did I miss? There's nothing going on, Hector. You haven't missed anything. It's calm as be. Everything is up as usual. It's always up, never goes down, and you're just fine. Don't worry about it. Nephew is laughing. Let's go. Yep, Coyote, Hector, Fed talk, market looking up right now. All right. 1274 now on Rocket Lab, up 17 cents, moving higher. 1509 on SoFi, GameStop 149.01. Matterport down 12 cents, 22.18, right around that break-even line. What a recovery on that one today. ME up a nickel, Spire still down 4.5 cents. We got ATIP up 4 cents. We got SmartRent up 20, and we have Cyxtera up 38. We've got Microsoft up 388. We have Apple up 435. We have Tesla up $16. We've got Goldman up $1. We have Cisco at $59.90 now, up $2.13, powering higher on the Cisco. Amazon up $50 a share to $34.32. We got Facebook up $6.63 at $3.40 now. Google at $29.27, up $28 a share. Big run up. Costco pushing higher, up $18.55 to $5.63. What a run on Costco. Real run on Costco. Okay. 20-cent gain on Rocket Lab, $12.77. This is the high of the day, 1.79 million. We got 28 minutes to go. We are looking real good here. Across the board, there's green just showing up all over the place. Matterport just went green, 22.35. Again, that's the second time it's gone green here. We're moving higher. Fabulous. Oh, fabulous. Let's move on here. Malo Shark says, I don't have a drinking problem. I only have a problem when I have no drinks left problem. That's the problem I have with my drinking problem. And why does the market like Jay Powell's, what he said, 3 rate increases in the bonds ending in March? Because the market was calling for it, and the market was expecting it, and the market got exactly what it wanted, and nothing more than that, and they're happy. And that's it. It wasn't worse. And this isn't bad, actually. The rates are very, very low, below inflation. This could literally taper inflation a little bit. The hope is, anyway, cross your fingers. And then that'll just, we'll continue on with a very low interest rate policy. For corporate America, this is a nothing burger. A 1% increase in cost of money. It's a joke. It's free now. No big deal. Corporate America is doing fine. And this will not hurt consumers. This will not tear the heart out of the middle class. None of that nonsense. So this is good stuff. Okay. Spire's like, I don't care if you're all green. I'm doing my own thing. Down 4.5. ME now up 9 cents. Matterport up 26 cents to 22.56. GameStop up 2.20. SoFi up 68 to 15.16. And Rocket Lab up 23 cents. SoFi's high today is 15.19. We're at 15.17 on SoFi now. Just pushing the high today again on 28.5 million. We're up 30 on Matterport, 22.60. That is the high of the day right now on Matterport, 6.2 million traded. This is moving higher, 22.55 to 22.60 on Matterport. Spire still down a nickel. ATIP now up 6 cents. Smart Rent up 17 and Cyxtera up 38 cents. 12.82 on Rocket Lab, and that is the high of the day on 1.8 million. Rocket Lab pushing for $13. And it is only half price because as far as I'm concerned, it should be 25, 26 bucks. Anyway, there's upside coming here, and it's looking good. Let's see. Okay, and let's see. Here we go. Yeah, well, God bless America. Bring on the Santa rally. Yeah. SoFi, 15.22, 15.23, moving higher. Yep. Anyway, there you go. Patience pays off. Just sit tight and let the market do its thing. 150.28 now on GameStop. We're up 343 on the Dow, 64 on S&P, almost 65, and NASDAQ up 284 right there. Big move on the markets, and even our stocks are reacting nicely. 12.84 on Rocket Lab, 15.24 on SoFi, up 76 cents. GameStop 150.76, up $3, up 3.25 at 50.94. Matterport up 53 cents now to 22.83, climbing nicely. ME up 11, 7.59, climbing again. Down 4 on Spire, just a bit better. ATIP up 6 cents. Smart Rent up 18, Cyxtera up 38. There you go. GameStop back over 150. That's right. Nephew Nick, sit tight equals sitting here staring at my phone. Right on. 12.84 on Rocket Lab. Looking great. Yeah, 360 now on the Dow, 360-point gain, 69 on S&P, 300-point gain on NASDAQ. Markets are absolutely climbing here on some really good power buying here. Love this. Let these markets move higher, and then get ready to pick off some contracts from time to time. We'll start writing contracts again. Nice move. 15.28 now, up 80 cents on SoFi. The volume is 29 million, and this is the high of the day at 15.28. There is no resistance. It's just there's nothing there. Those who wanted out got out. They were taken out, no problem. 12.83 now on Rocket Lab, right at its high of the day on 1.8 million. GameStop 150, 152. The high of the day here, 152. We're just around the high of the day on GameStop, but only 2.39 million, less than half of yesterday's volume. That's interesting there. Again, nothing for sale. There's no, serious got to get out of the stock anymore stuff. So that's good. And here we are. The Cheddar Stacks Christmas just got a lot better with these massive moves I made lately. I'd like to thank Bruce, the community, and myself. There you go. Right. So look up. I want to throw up. Coyote, I don't want to get greedy, laugh on loud. Cheddar, I'm up 16%. Someone's going to need to use my gains. Heart going to implode. I'm going to write, can't go broke taking a profit on the blackboard 100 times. I'll be back in a minute, just a minute. Holy moly, SoFi rebound, says Sean. 15.24. Delahoe, so glad I rode the storm and even kept on buying more. In Uncle Bruce, we trust. Save me, Red Solo Cup. Laugh out loud, Red. W. Walters, good afternoon, all. What does it mean when the bid price is higher than the ask price? That means the computer's screwed up. Let's see. I am loving all this green, says anti-PC. Uncle Bruce, I need your help, says Rudy. What do I do with my poor man covered call on Apple 165s expiring this Friday? Trading at 14. Premium received 350. Roll today or wait. Oh man, you didn't do anything in the last few days. Let's see. Well, we're on again tonight. We can talk about it tonight too. Right now, the Apple's 178.76, up 443. It topped out here at 179.34. It's going to be interesting to see if it can get anywhere near 182. If it doesn't break 182, it goes lower. So Rudy, just hang tight. We'll talk about it on the primetime show at 8 o'clock tonight, and we'll figure that one out. I just want to see how we close. I wrote, John Gill says, I wrote a Goldman Sachs 397.50 call yesterday, expiring this Friday. I bought it back on the dip today for a 60% gain. Thinking to write the same call again for this Friday. Your thoughts? Yeah, absolutely. You can rewrite. Every time you can take a range on it, you grab it. Absolutely. Every time they hand you these gifts, you take them. Absolutely. Goldman Sachs right now is up 204 to 390. So yeah, nice move. 379, 380 on Rocket Lab. SoFi 1524, 150, 135 on GameStop. Matterport 2259 up 29. ME 760 up 12 cents. Spire only down 1.5 cents now. It's coming on. It's about to go green here. Oh, down a penny. Only down a penny on Spire. It's about to go. We're up 6.5 cents on ATIP. We're coming on again. We're up 40 now on Sextera, 1136. Okay. Let's see. Paul says down from 750 to up 550 today. From down 750 to up 550 today. That's a good turnaround. So glad I picked up SoFi earlier at 1405. Oh yes. Let's see. Gotcha, Uncle Bruce. I'm gonna wait till prime time. Right on, Rudy. Rolled up and out of my GameStop, says Hector. Laugh out loud, to which comment was definitely being nice to Ritz versus Old Cup. I'm being nice. He's being nice to everybody. Rudy, is anyone writing calls on Microsoft yet, or still waiting? MSFD. Joshua, Uncle Bruce, how many nieces and nephews do you have? I don't know. I don't keep score. I don't keep. I'm too busy. Jennifer does that. 22.42 up 12 cents on Matterport here. ME up 8. Spire down 2.5 again. ATIP up 6.5 cents. We've got GameStop up 312. We have SoFi up 71 cents, and Rocket Lab up 18. The Dow is up 383. S&P up 71 now, going higher. And NASDAQ up 311. They're going higher. They're going higher. This market, there's more money coming in here. A ton of money on the sidelines, and it's going to take quite a while for all of it to come in. It doesn't come in 5 minutes. There's way more than that. There is a ton of cash that's been waiting to come into this market from around the world. Yeah, watch for higher days. We may have a big run tomorrow. We'll see. Let's see. I'm nervous about buying Microsoft still. What do you think? Well, it's off the highs. Microsoft has backed off. 333 right now. It's up 5 at the moment, but the high for the year on Microsoft, 349. So it is off. They were as low as 324 at just short of 2 o'clock today. They turned around $9 to be up 5. So that's a big turnaround. But I don't have a problem with you buying in the money calls on Microsoft and then writing short-term covered calls against it. That's a good move too. Up to you. Let's see. What is going on here? People are asking, they're talking about different stuff here, and let's see what's going to happen. All right, moving on here. We're up now 354 on the Dow, and we're up 66 on S&P, and we're up 289 on NASDAQ. Right on. Good day, good fun time here. How are we doing on the thumbs ups? We have 185. We might make, we should make 200 thumbs ups. So that would be kind of nice. But can we get 300 thumbs ups? That would be kind of cool. 17 minutes to go, and maybe we can push it all the way to 300 today. 115 would be needed. 186 on the thumbs up department. Keep them coming in, kids. Thank you for your help on that. 150.18 on GameStop at the moment. And the Dow is up 330 right at the moment as well. Big turnaround on the Dow today. Very, very good. This is nice. Very nice. 59.94 on Cisco. Looking good, up 217. You got to love that. And Apple is up 386 now to 178.19. I think Apple, the high of the day here, 179.34. So it's come back $1 from the high just in a moment, the last 5 minutes. Apple has had a nice little pop here. I still don't know if Apple will continue to just go higher. Something tells me that Apple might ease up a bit here in the next day or two as it consolidates these wonderful gains from 147 or so to here, 143, 147 to here in a month. GameStop 150.29, the Dow up in 319. Right on, 15.12 on your SoFi. Matterport down 2 cents as it's toying with the going up, but not. ME up 9. Aspire still off 7 cents. Just won't do it. Won't come around. ATIP up 5.5. Smart Rent up a dime, and Sextera up 39 cents. There you go. There you go. The battle rages, kids. The battle rages all over the place. 59.99 is the high trade of the day on Cisco. Right now at 15.96. The battle is on whether it's going to break 60 or not. There's resistance at 60. It'll have to go through it, but that's all psychological resistance, nothing fundamental to worry about there. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Fun is what we have going on right now. Very interesting markets. Okay. Let's take a look over here and let's see what's going on. Everything is happening here. We got some good volumes going here, some good action on the markets. We are enjoying it. Thank you, all of you, for being here today and joining in, hanging out with myself and Jennifer. We appreciate you. Love you. Nice to have you by. Okay. Let's go. There we go. Over to here. All right. And here we go. Uncle Bruce, in my opinion, SoFi is not going to sustain until we have some news. I don't know, my friend. I think the SoFi is oversold. I think technically it's gone too far down too fast, just too much too fast. I believe that even in this down dip, there's been a lot of slow but sure accumulation of stock by institutional traders, and it's not coming back. This stock is not available for a quick flip turnaround, and so it's drying out. And if volume is drying out here, it'll begin to pop up, and you'll have just as many dollars changing hands as we did last week, but now with lower volume in the 20s. I just see more coming in, but it'll have its moments up and down, obviously, but we'll see. Are we out of it now? I don't know. We're $1 higher than the low today, but the charter would be nice. I'll grant you that. That charter would be nice. Okay. And Robert is saying, Uncle, I'm watching the GameStop chart. I've noticed that the December 17 call option prices are lowering, even though the stock is increasing. Is it because it's already the end of the day and December 17 expiry? Yes, sir. We're going to be down to 2 days trading now, and these contracts are going to reflect that very quickly. And so they're shrinking out. And that is the beauty of being an option writer on any option that you write that expires on a Friday when you've got 3-4 days left to go. Those last 2 days, boy, do they ever give it up. And that's what's making option players nervous when they are long contracts that are just evaporating in front of their eyes because the stock is not reacting. Yeah. Let's see. Cheddar Stack says, Nick, I respect your opinion, but you're wrong. In other words, I trust you, but I don't believe you. That's what Cheddar Stacks is saying. Yep, time decay, Coyote. That's what he's saying too. It's time decay. Rudy, Uncle Bruce, isn't Apple massively overbought in the 180 range? Yes, it is. Considering the run-up, I feel like other stocks need to catch up first before Apple's worth more than 170, but just my opinion. I'm with you. Yeah, I think Apple will give up some ground. I really do. Apple will give up some profits here. It's had a wonderful, wonderful run, but it's too much. It went up too much too fast. But today is an exuberant day. Notice how the Dow is now only up 267. I mean, we had that. Now we're a little profit taking here. We're only up 55 in S&P, not up 75, and Nasdaq is up 246, not 346. So we've given up ground already here. Apple will do the same thing. It will ease off a bit. because it just doesn't go straight up for no other reason than what we expected to happen at the Fed. I mean, that's not why Apple's going to go any higher. The Fed policy would have had no effect on Apple no matter what the Fed said, but it got caught up in the hype and so took a little shot. I suspect the Apple in the aftermarket and into tomorrow could ease up a bit, and that might give you an opportunity coming up here Thursday, Friday to do your rollover at a much lower price. So let's just we'll figure that out later. I'm waiting for the close on the aftermarket before I figure out where we're at. See where we close out here. We've got let's see. A sign says average price of SoFi ME ATIP Spire Matterport 6-Tera Rocket Lab and Smart was down to at least 1038 earlier today. Now it's 1104. Let's rock. So you took all the shares, put them all together, and give it an average price, and the average price of all these stocks are now from 1038 to 1104. Oh, right on. It's like a little tiny mutual fund for or little ETF here, the Uncle Bruce ETF. Cool. Anyway. Adela, what do you think of Spire at 4 for 15 cents expiry January 17, Uncle Bruce? You're talking about a contract, you're talking about an option contract to buy a $4 strike price on Spire, with it sitting at 378 right now, and you're looking at it for 15 cents. That's what you're thinking. Oh, I see what you're doing. Jan 17. So you got a month for something to happen to make this work for you. Well, that's it's that's what I think about it. It's your money. I don't know. Thumbs ups for Bruce for forecasting this bounce in the morning show. Well, we try. Beach Boy, come on, Cisco, 1598. Can you do it for me? We have faith in you. You can go up a little more, can't you? Just a little more there, Cisco. Can't you pop it up there? 50. I'm showing 5988. It did hit 59.99. It did do it. So, but it isn't over. We're not done yet. 10 minutes to go, though. Drew, watching my Matterport roll over from this morning, the spread is further than my limit order, but it's not going through. Is this normal? The spread is further than my limit order, but it's not going through. Is this normal? Okay, something isn't right there. I don't understand what's going on here. Okay, if you're trying to sell something, I'm assuming you're trying to sell a call. And is the offer showing at a higher price than what your call is in at? Are you showing a bid? You're not showing a bid ask where the bid is higher than what you're trying to sell at. That I can't imagine. Double check your order. You may want to call your broker and just find out what they're showing. You could be getting an inaccurate quote from your provider. Again, I don't know, Drew. Dan, GameStop, $150 close, not $150.01, not $149.99. It's going to close at $150. There's nothing to see here. There you go. Well, $149.35 is where we're at right now. Let's see. Cheddar, anti-PC, are you done with shorting Hood? I bought short calls. Rudy, Nick, SoFi should be around 20. Should be about $20 under these circumstances and bob around that level until some news emerges. At 15, it's oversold. Michael, sorry guys, I'm late to the show. What happened with SoFi? Went down. Now it's going up. It's at 15.11, and it was as low as 14.03. How about that? Powell's announcements today have helped stocks, and it's good for bank stocks. I have 400 SoFi shares at 15.40 average. Let's go. JMac, Rob, are you here? Are you in here, Rob? Where are you? Cheddar, I really suggest that if you're investing in SoFi, that you do a lot more research to not understand how oversold it was, to not understand its 2022 moat. It's not see all the people saying they're buyers. It's all perplexing to me unless you just started following it. The volume of 30 million plus every day. I don't know what that means. BRB is calling SEC about starting the whatever. I don't know what that means. The Uncle Bruce Index. Okay. Let's see. Do I let my ME $10 call ride till the end of January? Probably. Yeah, probably. Rob stopped in at the beginning to leave a thumbs up for Bruce and tell me that he paper-handed his SoFi calls. Though when Uncle Bruce, I'm holding a 35 Matterport covered call expiring July of next year. Thoughts on rolling back to 25, expiring in February for the same price? Sometimes holding might be the best thing, though. Yeah, You may want to wait till tomorrow. Let's see how Matterport behaves tomorrow. If it starts off with a 250 gain, you don't want to do anything. You just want to wait. You don't want to be doing a rollover now and then watch it go up 250 on you tomorrow. You don't need that. I think he had stuff to do. Paper Hands, thank you for the donation. Giodi, how's your cat doing? Thank you for that donation very much, buddy. Cheddar said, I cashed out my last Robinhood put right before Thanksgiving. Bruce, those $10 calls for Jan 22 I got are absolutely printing. I bought 300 instead of 150. Oh man, that's awesome stuff. Cool beans. Goody. Oh my God. Hey, Elliot, he's doing well. Had surgery this morning. Surgery that went well. He's resting. They're keeping overnight, so we're picking up tomorrow at noon. British evening all. Am I just in time to miss the show again? Yes, you are. Thank you, Eddie. 6 minutes to go. Yes, Carter. Let's see. Lighten up, Drew. Yes, that is normal. On TD Ameritrade, a rollover will not occur until both legs of the trade are satisfied. Thus, the buy portion may be more than satisfied, but the sell conditions are not. Rudy, heading off for a late dinner, Uncle Bruce and Bagel Gang. See y'all at prime time. Need to load up on the caffeine to stay up across the Atlantic. 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock Eastern. 8 o'clock Eastern, I'm live today, members only, for Uncle Bruce Prime Time. So come and join me as members. Come on to join in tonight, and we'll talk about the day here and what's going on. Cody, hey, Uncle B, if you're long contracts, how close should we let them get to expiration if they're out of the money? Like, at what point do you become the person you want to be selling contracts to? Yeah, Cody, with 2 weeks to go, you've got to make moves one way or the other. Either leave them or you roll them. But with 2 weeks, so you got to do something. Hector, Uncle Bruce, that Matterport chart is a rocket upward. It's up 3 cents right now. ME up 11, GameStop up $2, SoFi up 62 cents, Rocket Lab up 9. Time to commute home, says Michael. Take care, all. You bet. Paper Hands, thanks for asking, by the way. Hope you're doing well. Cheddar, Bruce, tell me there's no way but up, at least for the rest of the week. There's no way but up. Let's go, Sextera. Adam, Uncle Bruce holding March 15 calls on SoFi. Should I just hold tight till February? Yeah, you just sit there. Hold tight. See you soon, Mike from Cheddar Stacks. 15.12 on SoFi, up 65 cents today. Nice turnaround from a low of 14.03, I think. The Dow has come back on again. The Dow has surged up again. It's now 345 to the good, 348 to the good, 71 to the on good side on NASDAQ. We're up there, and 313. We're up 313 on NASDAQ. So all three indexes have turned around yet again and have gone higher right at the end of the day here. 4 minutes to go, and big money coming in right at the end of the day. A strong close. Sideline money did not want to wait overnight and not be long. They didn't want to miss the potential of a big, strong opening in the morning. They're getting in now. They're not going to wait and buy tomorrow morning. They're buying now. They don't want to miss the opening tomorrow. That's what's going on, because I bet you that these investors, these gamblers here, are figuring Asia overnight will pour money into the U.S. market, and so will Europe. And that's what might be happening here as we speak. So big surge at the end. This is very positive, and we'll see how this plays out. The 10-year note is at 1.45%. It touched just short of 1.7 this morning. It was at 1.3. So not too much happening there, but it's 1.45%. The Dow up 354, S&P up 473, NASDAQ up 318. Real solid gains in the last 3-4 minutes of the market right now, coming into this market. Okay? That's good news, kids. That's a lot of positive vibes out there, and that's what you want to have. It just makes it easier for stocks to go up. Sextera up 45 cents to 11.41. SmartRent up 14. ATIP up 5.5. Spire just won't join the party, down a dime. ME up 11. Matterport up a penny. GameStop up 2.25. SoFi up 63. Rocket Lab at 12.66, up 9. 149 is GameStop. I think that 150 prediction may come true. You're right there, 6 cents away. You're 6 cents away on that 150. Spire is a party pooper. I think you're right. I like when you talk to me like this, Bruce. Big fat opening better happen. Damn it, Jim. I'm going to try to remember to make it tonight. I know how you all worry about me. Get ready, cuz here I come. Right on. You better, Jim. I had to go. Rico, Bruce, I'm pretty sure you predicted this would happen during Monday morning's show, or am I wrong? Kyle, you can change your name to K2. Hector, rolling. Keep those options rolling. Rawhide. Lord Farquaad. This community had me cross my arms like Bruce said. Michael, you take it easy, buddy. Bruce Schilling, I'm also a bit of a party pooper. I always get too drunk and poo my pants. 1 minute to go or less now. We're coming into the last of it here. And GameStop 149.94. Will it close at 150 right on the nose or not? Matterport is up 3 cents. ME is up 11. ATIP up 5.5. We got a lot of green here. The Dow up 391 now, looking good. Microsoft up 658. Apple up $5 to 179. We've got Royal Caribbean down 99. Goldman up 111 right now. Cisco at 59.98. NTPC, 149.94. British Shilling, Spire Battle for the Street Show. Okay, had been sitting on uneven 350 Matterport for a while. Used his dip to top it off. Now I can write 4 calls. Nice going, Vilbus. Hello, everybody from Ventures with Duncan. Buddy, how you doing? Where is Larry? Obama Babe, Uncle Bruce, hanging on every word you say because I believe in you and Jen. Hector, later on, everybody, Ventures with Duncan. I'm going to go get tattoos of the Pfizer shot in each arm. Larry is ringing the bell. Austin, I suck. I'm right here, Larry. Says, I'm right here. Yep, here we are. Like strong closes, I cannot lie. The bells have rung and we're done. 59.93 on Cisco and Apple 149.62. Not quite 150. I'm clapping for all of us right now. Says Flair, I knew you were here somewhere, Larry. Coyote, the 150 prediction just fell short. Couldn't quite do it. 12.63 up 6 cents on Rocket Lab. 15.16 on SoFi up 68 cents. GameStop 149.21 up $1.52 after all that trading. Matterport 22.33 up 3. ME up 12 cents to 7.60. We've got Spire up down a dime, unfortunately. ATIP 3.30 up 4 cents. And Bama Babe, thank you so much, Bama Babe, for this super sticker. This is awesome. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. Thank you so much. What do we got here? We got, like I say, ME up 12, Spire down a dime, ATIP up 4, Smart Rent down a nickel. It actually dipped at the end. Interesting. And Sixtera up 46 to 11.42. Sixtera looking great. Just wonderful. 262,000, 262. That's it. And it's pushing new territory. I thought the all-time high was 11.39. The computer says $12. I thought it was 11.39, but it's 11.42 now. Coming up on Sextera. Wow, what a close. Unbelievable. The Dow 382 for the gain. Strong close. S&P up 75 and Nasdaq up 327. Powerful gains across the board here with serious money coming into the market after 2 o'clock today. Took a little while to start up, but then it came on, and there will be money in here tomorrow. We should have a very strong opening tomorrow, unless something really stupid happens overnight somewhere. Wow, interesting. Red Solo Cup. I'll be in the bedroom listening to Sarah McLachlan. Austin is out of here. Good luck, all. Thanks, Austin. Smoke Dog. I like to say I have a love-hate relationship with Spire, but it's been very one-sided. Oh, man. Bama Babe, them games, says Coyote. Holy banana boat, Bama Babe. Splair, what a beauty of a donation with that cute sticker. Thank you, and thank you. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Oh, I love that sticker. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I didn't even see it. I didn't see the whole sticker. I'm just looking at it now on YouTube. There it is. Thank you. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much. Uncle Bruce is going to get some rum for this Diet Coke tonight on Primetime Bama. Splair, I am already excited for tomorrow. Coyote, I like how the stickers appear at the top of the chat. Carol, Bama Babe, thumbs ups and cheers. Robert C, thank you, Robert. Uncle Bruce, I made some money today with GameStop. Where am I? Here we are. Let me get that up here. I made some money with GameStop. Covered calls bought back for 50 cents less, missed buying for 250 less. How do you advise your trader about this? You win some, you lose some. I don't know. You don't get them all. You do the best you can. I think tomorrow will be another good day. I think so. Robert Obama, babe, you just made me look cheap. Uncle Bruce deserves it though. Oh man, all donations gratefully accepted. All PayPal donations gratefully accepted. JMac Bruce Leaps can often be really mid-priced. $10 calls for 23andMe now. 730, $10 for January 24, 860, 130 for the extra year of time. 83 Delta. They were cheaper than December by $2. Unbelievable. So glad to see things up, says KW Beach Boy. Another great day. I'll try pulling an all-nighter here to get on the primetime call tonight, Uncle Bruce. Oh, man. You hang in there, buddy. You hang in there. You pace yourself. Get a nap in the meantime if you can. Bama Babe, I'm just thinking that I might get some tonight like Beach Boy, says Bama Babe. Get some. Oh, man. Thumbs, hit the like. My next pair, another red day. Guess what I'm holding? Small wins are still wins. They compound. That's true. Patience and experts all the way though. Larry, I'm looking forward to the fun-filled primetime show at 8 o'clock Eastern tonight. And nap does sound nice as Coyote. Warren, sold half my Sextera long calls for a double. How about that? Brigitte, yeah, I will try to stay awake for tomorrow's prime time. No guarantee though. I kicked off the gin already. Well, tomorrow is after midnight for you. I see what you mean. Beach Boy, Bama Baby, you're too funny. KW, thumbs. Red Solo, Gary, thank you. It feels like you're speaking to me, and I appreciate that in my soul. There you go. Lighten Up says, Bruce, your steady hand, words, and perspective through the storms are absolutely wonderful. Thank you. Right on, guys. It's a pleasure. I'm happy to help you here. I'm glad it's working for you. I just so appreciate you guys being members of the channel. Of course, we love these donations. I mean, that makes all the difference. We thank you. I love it when you make it, buddy. Oh, let's hope tomorrow we have a real surge here. That would be great. I gotta get a nap in between this show and tonight's show as well. I have a few hours to get a rest, and I will do so for sure. Let's see what we're looking at here. GameStop is now in the aftermarket, 148.45, down 77. Rocket Lab closed at 1263, and it's exactly 1263 in the aftermarket. We got SoFi at 1516, unchanged on the aftermarket. We've got Matterport at 2240, up 7 cents in the aftermarket. ME is unchanged. Spire is down a penny in the aftermarket. ATIP is down a penny in the aftermarket. Smart Rent is up 5 cents in the aftermarket to be kind of even on the day. Sextera is unchanged in the aftermarket right now. That's what we got here. IBM did not manage to go up at all, losing 64 cents on a 383-point down move. The IBM did not participate. You got to wonder about that. SoFi didn't hear no bell, says nephew Nick. Nelson, I want to thank Uncle B and the Bagel family for the small win today, and Powell and the Lamp for being bullish on the marker and the economy. Cheers, everybody. Cheddar Stacks, we love the Bruce. Robert C, here's this $10 super sticker. Thank you, man. Appreciate those super stickers. There he is. There's a goofy looking guy there, but it's kind of cool. Thank you very much. Totally agree with the lighten up. This has been life changing, says Kent. Right on, guys. Nick, hello, Beach Boy. Were you at the meet and greet? No, he wasn't here. Lighten up, ditto that. Let's see. Microsoft up 631, and it is down 21 in the aftermarket. Apple at 179.30. It's up 14 in the aftermarket. We'll see how that reacts through the morning tomorrow. Goldman 389.98, down 7 now in the aftermarket at 391 at 91 cents. It's doing great. What a day today. No complaints. Most amazing day today for sure. And thank you all of you who are watching, and all of you who are subscribing and becoming members. These super stickers and super chats, you guys are phenomenal. Thank you all so much for that. Those of you taking classes, way to go. Way to invest in your future. Learn how this happens. Figure out how options work. Check my classes if you can. Watch one every couple of days if you can do it. It's a total of 20 hours. You got to invest in it. If you want to make money in this market, you can. You just have to invest in yourself and put in the time. Follow what we're doing here on a day-to-day basis. This will start making sense to you. These comments that are being coming through here for all my option writers, you'll start to pick it up and go, oh, that's what that means. Oh, that's how they're doing it. You can day trade options on option writing, of course. You can do really short-term trades. You can do long-term trades. In the money, out of the money, at the money, all kinds of strategies here. Spreads, cash secured puts. There's rollover strategies. There's just a lot to learn, and it's just one step at a time. It's just like a Lego. You just put one brick on, another brick on, and you just learn this game. How the options market is its own thing, and join us to learn how to do it, and hopefully you'll be joining the party like these folks who are taking money out of this market left, right, and center daily, weekly. Money is just being handed to them with these option programs, these poor man covered call strategies. Man, are we going to have fun here? Having fun here. Thank you, Robert Z. Kent, you're right. Absolutely. Uncle Bruce is one and only. Beach Boy, Nick, nope, long flight for me. Maybe when Uncle Bruce goes to Europe, then I'll catch up with him. Nick will be signing up on the poor man covered call tonight. I'll be signing up on that. British Shilling, I'll be doing options in 2022. I'm still clueless and would like a passive income. And Drew Nilsson, brick by brick. Exactly. Fantastic. And what can I say? Which one of your classes explains rollovers? I can't remember. Is it 8, 7, 8, 9? One of those guys. You have to look at the titles. Check it out. And I've got more classes coming. I have 5 more classes that I'll be bringing out in the not too distant future. So stick around for those, and we'll be getting into rollovers a lot more detailed there as well. Damn it, Jim says, I'll see you at 8. Hopefully. You bet, buddy. Bama Coyote. Yep, was clueless till I found Uncle Bruce back in January. And Bama Babe is doing great, and I'm stoked. Thank you all so much for your support in every way that you offer it. We appreciate it. I'm going to take a break right now and get some rest, and I will catch up with you guys 8 o'clock Eastern time tonight on this channel for members only. Become a member right now. Hit that membership button. Become a member, and then you can join me tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern. You should all have your links. I sent the links out already. Check your community tab button. There should be a link waiting for you for tonight's show at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Thank you guys for all your support. Have a great evening, afternoon. Stay healthy, and we'll catch you real soon tonight for sure. Okay, thank you. Catch you later. Love you all. Rest up. You bet. Okay, guys, we will catch you. Bama Babe, yep, I was clueless until I found Bruce in January. Love that. Love it. We're here. Thanks, guys. I got the link and notification. Good. How do I contact you, Beach Boy? British Shilling. Thanks, Uncle B and all the gang. Okay, kids. Take care. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.